for your efforts. Panasonic has long-term commitment to India's growth.
I want to say thank you for your great support and efforts to promote Panasonic products and services.
And we worked really hard in last 3 years, and it's a matter of pride for me if you look at one end to the other. You know, we are rapidly connecting all this. Rapidly. Because this is the value which will change the lives of people.